Hi, this is third grade worksheet lesson 28. So first we want to fill in the blanks. That's what the direction says. So we have to find how 320 plus blank equals 1000. So how we usually find this is 1000 minus 320. And when you do the math, you should get 680. And we just keep doing this. So 1000 minus 503 is 497. 1000 minus 549 is 451. 1000 minus 358 is 642. 1000 minus 491 is 509. 467, or 1000 minus 467 is 533. 1000 minus 634 is 366. 1000 minus 327 is 673. 1000 minus 443 is 557. 1000 minus 655 is 345. Next column. All right. 1000 minus 527 would be 473. 1000 minus 42 would be 958. 1000 minus 575 would be 425. 1000 minus 764 would be 400. Hold on. Oh, would be 236. 1000 minus 529 would be 471. 1000 minus 246 would be 754. 1000 minus 778 would be 222. 1000 minus 671 would be 329. And 1000 minus 473 would be 527. 1000 minus 980 would be 20. All right, now we have to add or subtract these fractions. This would be 12 over 15, which is also simplified to 4/5. This would be 4 over 10, which would also be 2 over 5. This is 6 over 18, which is also 1/3. This is 4 over 14, which is also 2/7. This is 12 over 20, which also equals to 3 over 5. This would be 8 over 15. This would be 11 over 17. 5 over 15, which equals to 1/3. 9 over 19. This would be 9 over 11. This would be 5 over 18. And this would be 9 over 14. Here we want to divide, but we see that this number is smaller than the second number for all of these, if you notice. So we're just going to do 44 over 73, 23 over 77, 24 over 73, 50 over 93, 32 over 97, 11 over 60, 15 over 17, 45 over 68, 13 over 44, 43 over 71, 25 over 67, 19 over 74, 37 over 81, 17 over 88, 50 over 73, 37 over 92, 50 over 58, 50 over 96, 42 over 62, 26 over 40, 17 over 48, and 30 over 44. You can simplify a lot of these, and I'll simplify them now. So, for example, you can simplify this one, which would be 25 over 29. This one, which would be 25 over 48. This one, which would be 21 over 31. This one, which would be 13 over 20. And this one, which would be 15 over 22. All right, here it says Danilo's old extension cord is 9 feet long. He bought a new extension cord which is 5 feet longer than his old one. How long is his new extension cord? So we just do 9 plus 5, which is 14 feet. Gordon has 80 inches of ribbon lace and 15 inches of scotch tape for the cake boxes. He cut the ribbon lace into 40 equal pieces. How long is each piece of ribbon lace? So 40 equal and 80 inches. So 80 divided by 4 from this is 20 inches. Jacob's shoe size was 6 centimeters shorter a year ago. His current shoe size is 31 centimeters long. What was Jacob's shoe size a year ago? So 31 minus 6 equals 25 centimeters. All right. Joe had a 6 foot length of wood and 2 handsaws to do a kitchen repair. He divided the wood into 3 equal lengths, but he only used 1 piece of the wood. How long are the remaining pieces of wood combined? So here, the length of the wood and cutting it into 3 equal lengths. So 6 divided by 3 equals 2. And 6 minus 2 from here equals 4. So 4 feet long.